Okay, so let's look at more of a real life application of linear equations. So we did look at this one in class, and I just want to go over it again for anyone who might not have quite been on top of all of the concepts in class. So, going on a snow trip, we're hiring a bus to take us there. So each person who goes is going to be charged $40, but the school, no matter what, is giving us $2.50. Okay, so we're always going to get this constant, which is $2.50. So that's our constant. We're always getting that $2.50 no matter what. Whether one person goes, two people go, 650 people go. And then for each person, they're going to get charged $40. So it's given us this rule. It said that M is equal to 40N plus 250. So M is equal to 40 times N plus 250. So M is the total money, so this is our dollars all up, and N is the number of people that go. So how did they get that? How did they obtain this? So this plus 250 is our constant. So that we're always getting that 250, as we talked about. Whether one person goes, no people go, 650 people go. 40N, where does that come from? So that's this for each person charged. Each person that goes, they're going to be charged the $40. So 40 is going to be multiplied by how many people go. So it's going to be, for example, 40 times 1 if one person goes, plus our 250 that the school's giving us. So two people decide to go. So two people are going. So it would be $40 times 2 plus that 250 the school's giving us. So that's how they get that 40 times N. And of course, how much money we get is derived from this equation. So the independent variable is how many people go, because it's only reliant on how many people go. So if one person goes, two people go, 650 people go, it's independent. Nothing sort of impacts on that. But how much money we get is always going to rely on how many people decide to come. Okay? So if I was going to draw this on a Cartesian plane, which would I put where? So am I going to put the number of people or my money on my x-axis? And am I going to put my number of people or my money on my y-axis? So again, this comes back to our dependent or independent variable. So remember, if this is our x-axis, so x-axis, this is our y. So our x will take our independent. So x is independent. So independent, and this is our dependent. Okay, so number of people is independent, so you'd have people, and this is going to be our cash money on our y. So for the more people that come, the more money you're going to get. So one person, you know, two people, because of course that multiplier, that 40 for one, 80 for two, plus that 250. Alrighty. Let's go on to the next video, and I want to really drill into this equation and what it actually means and how we can sort of use some of those elements in it.